For my next video, I'd like to do one on the company Simplpens, without an E, Simplpens, and their fountain pen. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. There's not a whole lot here, but it's a fountain pen, so you can't really expect a lot. So here we have the pen, and we'll go over the things I like and dislike. And here's the nib. This is a medium. We'll also go over tech specs. Here we go. Where is it at? There it is. We'll go over tech specs after the unboxing. So this is just the unboxing and a writing sample. So here we have the typical cartridge. Let's get out some ink. And I got to be careful because I'll get it all over me. I'm a slob. That's why the gloves. So let's load up some ink here. Okay, so let's fill this up here. I usually do it twice. The first time isn't always the best. And then back it out and then load it again. And of course wipe it off and hurry and put the lid back on as fast as you can without spilling any. Okay. And there's the ink cartridge converter. Holds quite a bit of ink. Let's screw this back on. I always put a drop of silicone grease around the threads. That helps it to unscrew and screw. Very smooth. Nice writer, wet. Not scratchy at all. It's not skipping. For a pen that's under $30, it's a nice pen. I don't know if I would call it a beginner pen. It could be, but it's a really fine writing. Every day I would write, and I've been writing with this every day. Never a problem. There's the line thicknesses. I'm pressing across quickly. Never a skip, never a single skip. So it's really a nice pen. There's very few complaints. We'll go over the tech specs and what I like and dislike next. Okay, so this is a Simplpens, Simplpens.com. I'll put the link in the description, or link up in the description. Strong durability, crafted with a sturdy and heavy body, this pen provides a satisfying weight that enhances your grip and writing control. It's ready to write, as well as accepting standard cartridges. Every pen comes included with an ink converter, allowing for limitless, colorful possibilities. Smooth writing, as I said. Enjoy a frictionless, seamless writing experience with multiple nib sizes available. You have the freedom to tailor your writing style to perfection. 30-day easy return. Rediscover the way you write. Experience the beauty of simplistic combination with variety of colors every time you pick up our fountain pen. So I'll have the different colors here, going through them next. Our pens strike a perfect balance between form and function. Each piece is a symbol of minimalistic elegance brought to life with a splash of dynamic colors. Performance meets style. It's not merely about how it writes, but how it looks and feels in your hand. Dive into the curated color palette from subtle to bold. There's a fountain pen tailored for every mood and occasion. Stand out and express. Be distinct. Let your pen mirror your personality. Let's get into some more specs here. We have the weight is 30 grams. The dimension is 5.65 by 0.5 inches. The material is a steel casting, ABS grip, iridium tipped stainless steel nib. The nib sizes are extra fine, which is 0.35, fine, which is 0.5, and medium, which is what I have here, which is 0.65. We have accept standard international short ink cartridges, or the converter that is with it. So my likes, a lot. All of the pen itself, how it writes, how it feels. It's not scratchy. It's not skipping. My main and primary and really only dislike is it has no clip, which how many people do you really see walking around with a fountain pen in their pocket with the clip on? Not me. I like a clip only because it's not going to roll off the table. Other than that, I see no problems with this pen. It's a gorgeous pen. It comes in all these beautiful different colors. Let's see if I can figure out the colors. So we have red magenta, green yellow, pink blue, violet blue, and black gray. So they're all those beautiful different colors. It has different ink cartridge sets you can purchase. Each set is free, so you have 5 of them that comes free. So you have limited possibilities with it having the ink converter. And that's pretty much it. It's a great writing pen, very low in price. I don't want to say cheap because it's definitely not cheaply made. It's a good price for a really high quality pen. So that's my video. I hope you've found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.